So very quick tutorial on how to draw noses. So when I'm, specifically noses from imagination, when I am drawing a nose, I start with this kind of diamond shape like this. And I feel that this shape does a really good job of capturing the basic shape of the nose. So from here, I'll divide it down the middle, or divide it, and divide it across this way. It's not perfect like this because the nose does not sit exactly like that. If anything, this line here actually needs to be at a slight tilt. And depending on whose nose you're drawing, the tilt can be a little bit or it can be more extreme. But right here, this space and this space, this is roughly where your nostrils go when you're drawing a nose. And then I'll put a gentle rounding from there. Over here, you can gently kind of come up and over the end of the triangle. Kind of around here-ish is roughly where like the little round parts on the side of your nose come, and then it sticks up like that. So this is very simple. It's not stylized really. If I was drawing like a face of a character, I would definitely have it more stylized. In fact, I'd probably bring this tilt here down a little more like that. And I like to actually start with these things on the sides. You don't have to. Kind of come like this. Tilt a little bit more like this. And again, this is going to depend on the angle the nose is at. And then I'll put a little emphasis like that. I keep in mind the center line when I'm doing this, and this is kind of sitting right in the middle like that, or something a little like that. But that's a quick tip on how to draw a nose. Oh, one other thing. You can change the angle of that center line as well to change the direction of the nose. So if I want to tilt the nose this way, I do it that way. Still basic rule here. See the nostrils roughly like there. There's that rounding. That's going to kind of come up like that. But on this side you'll see a lot more. And then this can kind of come up like that. And your eyes would go in here somewhere. Mouth would kind of come down here somewhere. But yeah, very basic way to draw a nose.